Greetings, I'm Dr. Keller Price, the SRAG Central North America Chair. I want to show you a great tool that you can use to help get the word out about different programs that we're doing. I am going to share my screen. The first tool is Linktree. So this is an ability for you to post not only on any media or business cards that you print, but also on digital communication. You can put your Linktree on your Facebook page as a website address, and then it gives you some flexibility. So you can sign up for free right here. Do not pay for a paid subscription. It's a free service and you get plenty of functionality. Go ahead. I'm logging in because I already have an account. My recommendation is that you make it the Linktree something easy for people to find you that makes sense for your chapter. Maybe SRAG Africa as an example of your name. I have SRAG Rotary here and my password is set up. Let me go ahead and log in. So you can add a number of links here. And all you need to do is go to the page that you have the information that you want to share and cut and paste the website address into this add link right there. So some of the links that I've added in here is I've created a Google form for people to find out more about SRAG. It's kind of like a form that would enable us to prompt a communication contact with them. It collects a few things, a few pieces of information. Our join page to actually become a member, that's right up at the top, and you can shuffle things. So if I wanted to move this join of that, I just drag and drop it to the new location. I have a link set up for people to sign up to speak at our monthly programs, our Facebook page, iRotary to share about environmental projects. And then I have a number of other resources, the Green Events Handbook, the Facebook page for SRAG, and then on our different areas of focus, biodiversity, pollution, food systems, climate, circular economy, sustainable living, lithium-ion battery recycling, solar initiative, million solar panel initiative, the pollinator activity pledge, membership, chapter meeting recordings, and LinkedIn. There's a number of different resources right all on this page. So if I want to take one of these off, for example, SRAG, Eastern North America, I can just turn it off right there. And then it's not going to be visible. So that's a temporary slide. So if you have something like a voting poll that you want to show and then not show, or you want to put a link in advance and then turn it on later, you can do that. Again, you can shuffle the priority of the links. And then if you want to get rid of the link, all you have to do is click delete. And you either delete it forever or archive. So the other areas of functionality that this has is the appearance. In addition to turning on and off links, so you can pick an image, and I picked a image style that kind of looked like the earth there, but there are other images. You can, let's see, upload your own. So this is where you can actually use the SRAG logo if you'd like. So I think I have one in here. I don't want it that little, so I'm going to keep it like that. You can change the title of the profile. So I can change this to SRAG Central North America if I want. You can put some additional information. With a little bio to catch people's eye. You can add social icons. So here, you can do a support banner, social integrations like Instagram. If you have a store page, if you're selling something, you can add anything on like that on top of your profile. So as we go down, you can also select a theme. Some of them are upgrade, which means you have to pay money for those. I don't recommend that. I would go with a free option. This one would even look good. I'm going to change it to mint so you can see. Ties in with our logo really nicely with a green, or if you prefer the blue, also looks like earth. I kind of like the green. It makes the leaf in our logo pop. And then you can also change the color here if you would like. I'm going to pick more of a blue like the ocean. Buttons, you can select how you want your buttons to look, the button color, the font color. You can change the font and how it appears in here. If I knew the font of that was used in the logo, I could tie it in for consistency, but that's not necessary. So that shows you all of that information. So you can, the purpose of this is to share multiple pages or links in one website so that you're not constantly updating your web addresses on social media. You're not having to reprint documents, and then you can change and adjust the order or the content that's prepared using that one link. So you create that link and then you can share it in a number of different venues. So when I click share, this is what my Linktree is, SRAG Rotary. So I can copy that, and the next step is to create one QR code to make it easy so people don't have to type in the website address. And then you can put the QR code on promotional material as well. I use another free tool called QR Code Monkey, which you see here. Again, this is also a free tool. You start by putting your Linktree address right there. All right. And then you can set the colors. Again, the benefit of doing this is that you can make your QR code branded to the colors of our organization. So maybe I want to do a green and have it be a gradient in there. We can add a logo image. This is where I would recommend that you put the SRAG logo right in the center. And then I hit create QR code. There you have it. There's our QR code. And again, when someone scans this, they will receive that Linktree, and then they'll be able to open up any one of the links that you provided. So the important thing is to download this QR code so you can use it in other things. And I'm going to save this. When you save your QR code, make sure you label it, because the QR code, especially if you're creating more than one, and I've already created one here called SRAG, so I'm not going to save it again. You'll notice this one I did as blue and green. But if I was doing another QR code and I have more than one in my folder, make sure you label it like Linktree QR code SRAG. Now, I usually put the logo in there, so I wouldn't necessarily need the SRAG in there, but it helps you find the QR code when you're doing a search so that you don't have to scan QR codes to figure out what is used for what. So hopefully this little tutorial was helpful for you to be able to create a Linktree and some QR code to help promote SRAG and all the amazing things that we're doing. Thanks for watching.